How to earn money in Amazon Mechanical Turk. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the browser. I'm using Google Chrome here and go to the official website of Amazon Mechanical Turk. So this is the website where people can simply work for Amazon in various fields which help Amazon to improve its customer service. It can be in fields like machine learning, customer support, and anything. So in this website, you can simply see how it works, and at the top, you can see the option of sign in as a requester or sign in to work in Mechanical Turk. So after you sign in Mechanical Turk official website, depending upon the number of projects available in Amazon, you will be able to work easily here. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.